Hey guys, happy Sunday. In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is for you to make those plug-in refills that you spend a lot of money on easily at home with ingredients you probably already have. Let's do it. All right, if you are like me and your wick is gone, so what I mean by that is that it basically just came apart. It kind of like just puffed out and you can't use it anymore. A hack is that you're going to take some Q-tips, okay? You're going to take some Q-tips and just kind of cut one end off. And it has to be the Q-tips that are rolled in paper, not the ones that are in plastic, because obviously you want the oils to wick up through. And so that's what you do. So I have 2 Q-tips here that I cut. Now, what we're going to do is take a carrier oil. So I like to use, you can't even read that because I've used it that many times. But this is sweet almond oil. So we're going to take some sweet almond oil and just pour that right on into this container. I usually fill it about halfway. Actually, a little more than halfway. So I fill that with my sweet almond oil. Now I'm using the oil because this sweet almond oil is actually going to help to carry your fragrance oils and help it really scent the house very well. Now I've been seeing a lot on TikTok and Instagram. Everybody wants their house to smell like Williams-Sonoma for whatever reason. So apparently if you take lemon and a little rosemary and you mix them together, your house smells fancy. So I'm going to try that. So we're going to I'm going to do about 8 drops. No, actually, let's do 8 drops of rosemary. Okay. And then I'm going to do 10 drops of lemon. Okay. And then the last thing that you're going to do is just take just a little bit of water. Now, I know, you might say, well, oil and water don't really mix. We're just going to do a little bit. Now, I add a little bit of water because what I want is for this, these little wicks, okay, to open up a little bit. And the water will help it open up. And that way the oil will wick up through it, okay? So I just add a little bit of water. And when I say a little bit, I really mean a little bit. And this is filtered. So I'm just going to add a little bit. Oh, God. I hope I don't spill it. Okay. All right. And that is it. It really is that simple. Okay. And then you're just going to take your top, which I don't know what I did with my top. All right. Found the top. So you're going to take your Q-tips. You're going to stick them right through the top that you took off. Put that right back down in there and just, give it a little push. Make sure it's secure. Okay. You should hear that click. Make sure it's secure. Then you're just going to grab your original container and do the same thing. Push until you hear that click, okay? And that's it. It is literally that simple. Look, and I give it like a little shake, but I don't even know if it really matters. In my mind, I feel like it works to shake it up. Now, I know you might say, okay, Dana, that was almost like too simple. I know, and that's kind of the point. It is literally that simple. So you don't have to go to the store and keep buying those ridiculously expensive refills. Just do what I showed you. Get your essential oils, whatever scent that you like. Refill it with a good carrier oil. Like I said, I like to use sweet almond oil. And I like to get my oils from Mountain Rose Herbs. They're an organic company. And I just find the quality of the oil is just, it really holds up versus those cheap synthetic oils. I find that they really don't give you the lasting scent that you want. And that's all you do. You just keep reusing it and refilling it over and over again and use those Q-tips as a wick if your wick runs out. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and hit that subscribe bell. And also hit the notification. That way you never miss when I upload a new video each and every Sunday. Take care.